learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
During periods of drought, many pray at Longtan Lake in Taoyuan for rain, and almost always their prayers are answered. According to legend, Longtan, or Dragon Lake, got its name after people saw a dragon during a violent typhoon-like storm. One of the unique features of the lake is a temple dedicated to the Jade Emperor on a small island that's accessible by the zigzag-shaped Zhongyi Bridge. Aside from the temple, every year Hakka dragon boat races are held at the lake during the Dragon Boat Festival. Today, it's considered one of the 12 major Hakka festivals.
Hey everyone, it's time to talk about Hakka on FM 100 Icrt.
Hello， 大家好，我是Bingo Leo。
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling, and we're gonna get deep into the culture of the Hakka culture because Leo is here. 这个月好像呢，Leo 都会带着我们去桃园的龙潭来玩啊，是不是？
啊，对呀，来到龙潭呐，龙潭那边哈，就要跟大家介绍一项活动。
一个活动 ，OK，
龙船比赛。
啊，对啦，划龙舟比赛，这个活动会在哪里举办呢？
在那个龙潭台比龙潭大池。
That's right, the Longtan Lake is very famous here, and there's an event that takes place, a competition that Leo says.
对啊，所以它的龙船哈都会比较小一点点。
Yeah, that's right. Don't forget, there's a very unique dragon boat competition that takes place here because it's in a lake, so all these boats are actually smaller in size, but they're really fun to watch. 这个一定要一年一度的客家龙舟比赛，千万不要错过。然后
对啊，而且啊，那个龙潭大池其实还有一个很神奇的传说，就是这一阵子不是就是闹水荒吗？
旱灾，
就是旱灾嘛，对不对？在龙潭大池这边来祈雨啊，非常灵验的说。
Okay, just recently we had a drought, right? But there's a legend here at this lake saying that if you pray for more rain around the lake, rain actually occurs. 所以我们应该多去祈祷一下咯。
对。
然后吃粽子，看看龙舟，来跟我们教龙舟怎么说，粽子怎么说。
龙船
Okay, that is the dragon boat, and then 粽子。
粽
欸 that's what we eat, the rice dumpling for Dragon Boat Festival, and it's all over here at the 大池啊，对不对？台比啊，
龙潭台比
Okay, that's the name of the lake. Go check it out when you have a chance. And that does it for today's talk about Hakka.
什么台噶？
俺只是张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.